Understanding Retirement Planning, a comprehensive guide. Retirement planning is a necessary process that involves preparing financially and mentally for life after work. It's not simply about saving money, it's a holistic approach to ensuring that you can maintain your desired lifestyle once you're no longer earning a full-time income. In this article, we will delve into the various aspects of retirement planning, the strategies you can use, and the key factors to consider as you approach this significant life transition. What is retirement planning? Retirement planning involves creating a structured strategy to achieve a financially secure and comfortable retirement. The process begins with identifying your long-term financial goals and understanding your risk tolerance. It encompasses several critical steps, including 1. Evaluating income sources. This includes pensions, savings accounts, Social Security benefits, and investment returns. 2. Estimating expenses. A detailed budgeting plan should factor in housing costs, healthcare, daily living expenses, and leisure activities. 3. Implementing a savings plan. Establishing monthly contributions to various accounts, such as 401k plans or IRAs, is essential. 4. Monitoring investments. Regularly checking your investment portfolio and making necessary adjustments is crucial, especially after significant life events. A retirement plan is not static, as your lifestyle changes and economic conditions vary, so should your plan. Key takeaways. It's never too early or late to begin retirement planning. A solid retirement plan integrates saving, investing, and systematic withdrawal of funds. Government-sanctioned investment vehicles such as IRAs and 401(k)s provide tax benefits that should be utilized. Understand your potential future expenses, debts, and life expectancy to develop a realistic financial strategy. The essentials of retirement planning. Retirement accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts are a cornerstone of retirement planning as they help you save more effectively over time. Here are some key accounts to consider. 401k plans. Offered by many employers, these accounts allow employees to save a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. Contributions might be matched by employers, which can significantly boost your retirement savings. Traditional IRAs. Available at banks or brokerages, these accounts offer immediate tax deductions for contributions, allowing your investments to grow tax-deferred. Roth IRAs. Contributions to these accounts are made with post-tax dollars, meaning you won't pay taxes on withdrawals during retirement, including gains. This is beneficial if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in the future. Simple IRAs. Aimed at small businesses, these lessen the complex managerial duties compared to 401(k)s, providing a straightforward way for employees to save. How much do you need to retire? Determining how much money you'll need to retire comfortably is crucial. Financial experts often suggest the 80% rule, indicating that you'll need about 80% of your pre-retirement income for a comfortable lifestyle. Here are some estimates to help you ascertain your magic number. A common benchmark used to be $1 million. Assess your specific monthly expenses, including housing, healthcare, entertainment, and potential travel plans. Steps to effective retirement planning. Regardless of your age, certain steps can apply universally. 1. Establish your goals. Decide when you want to retire and how much you wish to save. 2. Choose the right investment vehicles. Select accounts that suit your situation, like employer-sponsored plans or IRAs. 3. Automate savings. Set up automatic deposits to your retirement accounts to ensure consistency. 4. Monitor progress. Regularly review and adjust your investment allocations in response to market changes and life events. Retirement planning across life stages. Retirement planning evolves through different life stages, each with unique considerations. Young adulthood, ages 21 to 35. Focus on early investing. Even small monthly contributions can grow significantly due to compound interest. Take advantage of employer benefits when available. Start a Roth IRA to make your initial investments. Early midlife, ages 36 to 50. Increase contributions. As income often peaks during this stage, maximize contributions to 401k and IRAs. Ensure that you are fully utilizing employer matches. Also, consider additional insurance to safeguard your family's financial future. Later midlife, ages 50 to 65. Shift investment strategies. As retirement nears, prioritize more conservative investments to protect your savings. Utilize catch-up contributions to boost your retirement accounts. Begin assessing Social Security benefits. Beyond 65. Focus on distribution. Plan for how you will withdraw funds from your retirement accounts systematically and efficiently to last throughout your retirement. Beyond basic retirement planning. Retirement planning transcends mere savings. Consider these additional areas. Your home. Evaluate whether to downsize or refinance before retirement. The equity in your home can provide financial support or be repurposed for managed care needs later in life. Estate planning. Preparing a will and understanding estate taxes is paramount. Protecting your assets from taxes through trusts or other strategies can ensure that your family's future remains secure. Tax efficiency. Strategize which accounts to withdraw from first, considering your income tax bracket. Roth accounts can shield you from higher taxes on income in retirement. Medical insurance. Healthcare costs escalate with age, thus, having a comprehensive plan that may include Medicare or Medigap plans is vital for mitigating unexpected medical expenses. Conclusion: taking action on retirement planning. Retirement planning is an essential process that requires careful consideration and proactive steps. It's crucial to begin as early as possible, taking advantage of tax incentives and investment opportunities available to you. Regularly reviewing your financial situation and adapting your retirement strategy will help you achieve the lifestyle you envision after your working years. If needed, consult a financial planner to tailor a plan specifically suited to your goals and circumstances. The sooner you start, the more secure your future can be.